here we're in the mechanical room of one of our new homes. This house is almost ready to turn over to a homeowner, and I just wanted to show you where to adjust the fresh air and the rate that the fresh air is brought into the home, as well as the central filter location. So this is one of our ducted air handlers. In your home, it could be vertical like this, or it might be turned 90 degrees and it could be horizontal. Either way, the components are going to be the same. So at the air handler, there's going to be a filter housing, and this is where the MERV 16 filter is located. In order to check that filter or change that filter, you just pull this cover off, and the filter is accessible behind the cover. It just slides out, and the new filter slides in if you need to change the filter. And then this is our ventilation controller. So your home may have a derivative of this, but it's going to look the same. It's going to have a screen on it with a turn dial. And to adjust the fresh air rate in the house, you're simply going to adjust this dial to dial in how many minutes out of every hour you want to bring fresh air into the home. If you want to turn on continuous fresh air, you would adjust this dial all the way to 60. When it reads 60 on the screen, you're going to be bringing fresh air in 60 minutes out of every hour, which means continuously. Usually there's going to be a light on the controller that'll signify active ventilation. What this controller is going to do is it's going to run the fan of your heating and cooling system and open a damper that brings fresh air into the system before the filter. So all of this fresh air we're bringing into the home is going to be filtered before it's brought into the home. Likewise, if you wanted to reduce the amount of fresh air, you could dial this back to, say, 30 minutes out of every hour. That would indicate that half of the time the fresh air system is going to operate to bring fresh air from outside into the home.